Hey my loves, it is me, Alegra, and I am hopping on today with our giveaway of the day. I'm super excited because I was able to put together a very nice size bundle for today's giveaway, and I'm really excited also to announce yesterday's winner. So yesterday's winner is Julie. That's British Rose Julie. I will have her tagged in the down below, and in the previous video I'll pin her comment to the top so you guys can see and who the winner is. I believe she used to have, I know she used to do YouTube videos, so I haven't seen her videos in a while, but hopefully she'll bring her videos back. So guys, if she does, definitely make friends with her and subscribe and follow her, because she's an amazing friend, an amazing person. So we have to all uplift each other and support each other. It's really important here with us all being friends and fam. So it's really nice that we can really help each other out and help support each other. So I am so happy Julie is getting yesterday's giveaway, and now I'm going to show you today's giveaway. So I can't wait to show it to you. It's pretty you know, we got some good stuff in there, so I'm really excited, and hopefully you beauties will like it. So let's go ahead and let me show you what it is. Okay guys, so here is today's giveaway. This is one of the items in the giveaway. This is this beautiful holiday bundle from Too Faced. This one is called the, let's see here, Your Gem makeup set, and this set comes with the mascara, the eyeshadow palette, and I believe that is the primer, the Fetish primer. So this is gorgeous. If you wanted to give that away too, if not for yourself, that's really nice. And then here's the One Size Beauty Secure the Blur primer. This is an eyeshadow brush set. This is a LED light up makeup mirror. Here is a Gucci style belt, different from the one I had yesterday. Showed you guys the one yesterday had pearls. This one is just brushed metal gold. And then here is some Milk makeup, Lancome Idol Butter Glow lips, the Ordinary eye cream or eye serum, So Juicy lips. This is a little gift from that I got in PR. Cute button from Ariana Grande REM Beauty. So you can put it on your coat. It's like, what is it? It's like it's supposed to be a spaceship, I think. So how cute is that? Here we have Bobbi Brown lipstick, Too Faced Killer Liner, another Too Faced Killer Liner. This really fun Frosty the Snowman collab. This is the lip mask and scrub duo lip mask set. So here it is. It is, let's see here, this is the set, lip mask and scrub. So Colourpop Frosty the Snowman. This is Kaja Wing Stamp liner. Here is Pearlesce Kale and Vitamin K exfoliator, Rare Beauty lip, eyeshadow brushes, Hustle Butter Deluxe lotion, Too Faced kissing gloss, a makeup bag. This is a really cute bag, Bottega Veneta style. It's the dumpling bag, really beautiful. They said this is leather. It feels really luxurious. And then here's a Milk makeup face and lip and cheek, Colourpop eyeshadow palette, and just a bunch of stuff. Here's a really fun face kit, more Colourpop, this beautiful tourmaline ring, and a Milk makeup brow product. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. There is a lot here, so hopefully you like today's giveaway. Hopefully you want to take part. Let me know down below if you do want to take part. Let me know how you feel about this giveaway, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So beauties, that is everything for today's giveaway. Let me know what you think of it. I did try to include some Rare Beauty goodies. I know a few of you beauties had mentioned that you would love some Rare Beauty goodies in the giveaways, so I did try to include some. Hopefully we'll have some more. I'll have more to include in our next giveaway or one of our future giveaways. Hopefully we'll have some more. Oh, you know what I have? Actually, I have something really good, Rare Beauty, that I'm going to be including in a future video. So be on the lookout for that, because I have something really, really cute to put in a future giveaway. So let me know what you think of today's giveaway. I am sorry, beauties. I'm just feeling so... Oh my gosh, I'm just not feeling myself today. I'm not feeling well. I do have fibroids. I have anemia, but you know, I try to keep my anemia under control, but today has been it's a little difficult. I'm just almost, if any of you beauties have anemia, it's like some days you're just so wiped out. And so I have to make sure somehow get my iron back up. Like normally I you know, I will, you know, do different, I'll make sure I eat more eggs and things like that, foods with iron if I'm feeling low energy and low iron. But so actually maybe I'll go do that, or maybe I'll go make some eggs, because that always makes me feel better. And but I guess it's just we've been doing so much too with the holidays. But you guys, I hope this, look at this little wig that I have on here. I got this on AliExpress. It was $40. You know, I just didn't style it. I think, you know, it just, the bangs were a little wonky. I have to wet them or something. I didn't have time to style it because I've just been not feeling good today. But if you styled this, oh my goodness, I was so shocked at how gorgeous, again, $40, and it was from AliExpress. I'm so addicted to AliExpress, guys. Are you kidding? I want to show you all the amazing things I found. You know, I should really do a video because I personally found so many, they call it Korean beauty, I mean Korean fashion. And I was like, what? I only got 2 things, because the only problem with AliExpress, it takes a long time to get to you, doesn't it? But I ordered a few things. Hopefully they'll be here soon. I ordered this kind of gray wrap. They called it Korean style. I was like, girl, yes please. It looked beautiful. Hopefully when it gets here it'll be beautiful. But I did get a turtleneck, and it was the same exact thing, that thin stretchy material like a Skims. It was $8. And I got these beautiful socks, $2. I mean, these socks are so, they feel like cashmere. They're amazing. They're so warm, and they're so soft, and they're so cute. I want to show you what I got. So, it's my new AliExpress is my new addiction. You know, I really think you cannot, from what I've seen so far, I mean, let's see when it gets here again, but the fashion that they have, it looks like you cannot beat the fashion on AliExpress, because they have really good things on Amazon, but Amazon, I feel like, compared to AliExpress, is more conservative maybe. At least the things like if you're going for leggings, loungewear, you know, even bras, you know, things like that, Amazon is amazing. But if you want some really cute, unique looking clothing for so inexpensive, I really was so shocked at what I have found on AliExpress. And oh, another thing, they were calling it vintage clothing, and I was like, yes, give me all the vintage clothing. Everything was so cute. These little jackets like you're from the 50s and things like that. Like, that's what I'm going for, you know. But they looked actually modernized, still kind of sexy. I felt like modern day Marilyn Monroe, call it, style. I can't wait till it gets here. Oh, actually, another thing got here. I wish I had it to show you right now. I'll show you everything I got, because maybe you would like it too. I got this sweater from AliExpress. It is so beautiful. It was like no more than $10. The quality is so gorgeous. It has these beautiful ruffles to the wrist area. The material is so thick and luxurious. It has these little shoulder pads, but just a little bit. It's, oh my goodness. And then it has these gold buttons on it. Now, I swear to you guys, you know I'm not lying. I bought a sweater very similar looking to that on Revolve. It was almost $300, and it was total garbage. It was so ugly. And it was not the color that they showed on the computer when it got to me. It was this yellow color. Personally, I don't like yellow, the color yellow, like especially in the winter, maybe in the summer, but on the computer it looked white, I guess. And then when I should have returned it, and then the buttons fell off. So everything I bought from Revolve, I haven't liked any of it. I don't know, and it's very pricey, so I wouldn't. Let's just say that AliExpress was way better, and the fashion is adorable and looks like amazing. And the sweater that I was just telling you about, amazing quality. So I will put everything together when it gets here, because I can't wait till this wrap gets here that I got. They called it a wool wrap. Hopefully we'll see when it gets here, but it was so cute. And then I got a bunch of stuff, sweaters, everything. Oh my gosh, I just looked so cute. So I can't wait till it gets here, and I'll show you that. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'll hop back on later. So I'm going to go take a shower now. I just feel so not good. So I'm going to go take a shower. And so let me know what you think of today's giveaway. Let me know if you want to take part in today's giveaway. Comment #GlamFam down below. Let me know how you're doing. Be a subscriber. And of course, support each other. Stay active. Like, let's all make friends and support each other and spread shine your light to everybody else, you know, so we'll all shine our lights together. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm so happy that you're here. I'm so happy that you are taking part in the giveaways. So there will of course be more coming soon. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.